Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. I received my my Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. Look at the packaging. Are you guys ready to see all the beautiful colors inside? So many bright beautiful colors, and it comes with this big mirror, which is obviously always so helpful. Enough talking, let's get right into it. I already did my face off camera, so we're just gonna get started with the eyeshadow. I am gonna go in with the new Anastasia eye primer, and this is the mini size. Okay, let me go get a brush to blend this out. You know, aren't working, honey. I'm going in with the Makeup Shop T79 brush to blend this out. Okay, a little goes a long way with this eye primer. So looking at this beautiful palette, what catches my eyes are the blues. So I'm gonna go in with the Brain Freeze, and I'm using the Makeup Shop T70 blending brush. Wow, this color is so beautiful, and I'm loving the formula. So creamy, so blendable. What more can you ask for, right? So I went ahead and did my left eye off camera, and now I'm going to go in with the color Soap. Right here. I'm going to be using my Sigma E25 brush. I'm going to finish my left eye off camera, and I'll be right back. I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Concealer. Now I'm going to go in with the color Virgin, which is the first shade, and I'm using the Makeup Shop T79 brush. The palette was $70 with taxes and shipping included. It comes with 24 beautiful shades. The sides to these eyeshadow pans are big as well. I think it's worth it. The colors blended out beautiful together. I have nothing bad to say about this palette. I definitely do recommend it. It is a little pricey, but it's well worth it. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell notification, and please like this video.